So this is a flapping mechanism, and it converts the rotatory motion to oscillatory motion at this point. And at this point, it produces a wing flight. So it's basically like a bird, a mechanical bird. And at the back, you can see that we connected connecting rod, and this will be like an engine. You provide the rotatory motion here, and the transmission goes through this, and here is the rotating wheel, and thus flight. This can be used to make ornithopters, which are flights that fly like a bird, and that's how the whole thing works. And this is just a lock so that this doesn't rotate, it just stays fit. And if you want a closer view, this is how it works. Thank you.